Well, my dear friends, I am sure you have achieved a lot in this CD and in this spoken English segment. We have seen so many things, right from the introduction, how to introduce yourself to people, how to greet people, how to respond to condolences, and how to respond to regrets and invitations. So many things we saw in the first part of the segment. Then we went on to situations, different situations and conversations where you have learned how to converse with people in different situations. And also we saw many segments, like not only common segments where you have to go to offices, banks and EB office and all that. We also saw special segments for women and children, which many would not have thought of. We thought of women's empowerment and we gave more importance to women's sections. And kids, of course, we didn't want to forget them either. So we had a lot of things, what children would think and how would they would talk, or how you need to talk to them in different situations. Then we also had better conversations in interviews and how to respond to the managers, or how to go in for teleshopping, telephonic interviews, and so many things we saw. Not only that, we taught you the grammatical usage of English language. We taught you British English, American English, and also we taught you phrases and idioms and how to use them in sentences. Not only that, towards the end, I taught you foreign words, mainly French words or Latin words, and how to put them into beautiful sentences. I am really sure that all of you are going to speak beautiful English, and people are going to look with their eyebrows raised. Wow, how beautifully he or she talks. And that is going to give us the fullest satisfaction of educating you with this CD. Really, I am so happy to have taught you this beautiful language English, and you're going to be very happy too. All the best, dear friends.